Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do another fun experiment. So this experiment is going to show us on how water beads can help with irrigation. So the items we'll need is of course the water beads and the cup. So we'll get back to the others later. They say we should add 2 of each color and add water. So let's get the colors. When I first opened this pack, the water beads were a little bit sticky, so they were sticking to each other. So this might take a little time on to get the beads out. Finally got all the beads out. That took a little time. Now let's gonna close this. So like I said, they said to add water and wait for 4 to 5 hours. So 50 mils of water, and we need to wait for 4 to 5 hours for the beads to grow. So I just now put the water in. And let me just quickly show you where it says that we have to wait for 4 to 5 hours. Remember I said to wait for 4 to 5 hours? Well, this is the result. The beads grew. So now the other materials is we get a syringe and a test tube. Here's a syringe. Let me just quickly get the test tube. It's a little stuck now. So here's a test tube. So let's quickly open it. So it says to put the bead inside the syringe, and we have to squeeze it in order for it to come out of the small opening and into the test tube. Firstly, I did this by putting a lot of pressure, so it just spat. Didn't want to come out. So I recommend that you do this with 2 hands. Then it already came out. So this is the clear color water beads. And I will have to do the other one now, which I am on the way of doing. Just quickly zooming out so that we can see better what I'm doing. And we're going to repeat this process for all the color beads. So from the clear to the red all the way is the same process. So let's get this done and I'll show you what it looks like after being finished. So I'm just gonna add the last red bead and then we'll be done with adding all the beads to the test tube. Now I am going to just clear up, and oops, I accidentally missed and dropped it, but it's fine because I have the messy mat. So now they say to add water and see how the colors mix. So now let me quickly go and get the water and pour it into the test tube. Firstly, when I put the water in, I saw that it didn't run all the way to the bottom, so I added more. But I eventually filled it so much that I couldn't add more, and that's why I am tapping it at the bottom to make it go down faster. And you can see where the colors slightly mix. And when I was touching it, it felt like a slushy or a milkshake. So it felt pretty weird. And now I'm just gonna close it and I will show you what it looks like. So here it is, and I'm just shaking a little bit to get the water all the way to the bottom. It didn't go all the way as you can see, but I got most of it. And now I'm gonna put on my light and show how it looks, and it looks pretty amazing. So if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you in the next video.